Hello everyone and welcome back to our Python series. In today's video, we're exploring an essential programming concept, control flow with if-else statements. Control flow allows us to make decisions in our code. Imagine you're building an app and want it to react differently depending on user actions or conditions. This is where conditional statements come into play. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use if, elif, and else statements, understand comparison operators, and nest conditions to make more complex decisions. Let's dive in. Let's start by understanding what conditional statements are and why they're so important. In programming, we often need to make decisions. For example, if a user's score is above a certain threshold, we might want to congratulate them. Or if a customer's age is below 18. We might restrict access to certain features. This is what we call control flow. In Python, control flow is handled by if-else statements. They allow our code to execute different blocks of code based on certain conditions, making our programs more dynamic and responsive. Example. To illustrate, imagine we want to print different messages depending on whether it's morning or evening. We use a simple conditional statement here to check the time. Time of day equal to morning. If time of day equal to morning, print good morning, else print good evening. In this code, Python checks if time of day is equal to morning. If it is, it prints good morning. Otherwise, it prints good evening. This is the foundation of control flow, making decisions based on conditions. Now, let's break down the main parts of Python's conditional statements if, elif, and else. If statement. The if statement allows us to test a specific condition. If the condition evaluates as true, Python executes the code within that block. Here's a simple example. Score equal to 85. If score is greater than 70, then print you passed. In this case, Python checks if score is greater than 70. Since it is, it prints you passed. Elif statement. What if we want to add more conditions? That's where elif comes in. Elif stands for else if and it lets us test multiple conditions in sequence. Let's extend our example. If score is greater than 90, then print excellent. Elif score greater than 70, print good job, else print keep trying. Here, Python checks the first condition score greater than 90. If that's false, it moves to the elif condition score greater than 70. Since this condition is true, it prints good job and skips the else block. Else statement. Finally, the else statement captures any cases where none of the previous conditions are true. Think of it as a default action. Score equal to 65. If score greater than 90, then print excellent, and if score greater than 70, print good job, else print keep trying. Here, neither of the conditions is met, so Python goes to the else block and prints keep trying. To make our conditional statements work, we use comparison operators. These operators compare values and return either true or false. Let's review the main comparison operators used in Python. First is greater than. It checks if one value is greater than another. Age equal to 20. If age greater than 18, then print you are an adult. Second is less than. It checks if one value is less than another. Temperature equal to 15. If temperature less than 20, then print it's a bit chilly. Third is equal to. It checks if two values are the same. Color equal to red. If color equal to red, then print stop. Fourth is not equal to. It checks if two values are not the same. Light equal to green. If light not equal to red, then print you may go. Fifth is greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to. These check if one value is greater than or equal to or less than or equal to another. Score equal to 90. If score greater than or equal to 80, then print good job. Using these operators, we can create sophisticated conditional statements based on the relationships between values. Now let's talk about nested conditions. These are conditions placed within other conditions. Nested conditions are useful when you need to check multiple layers of criteria. For example, let's say we're building a simple program to check a user's age and their membership status. Age equal to 22, member equal to true. If age greater than or equal to 18, if he is a member, then print you have access to the premium lounge. Else print you have access to the general area. Else print you are not allowed access. In this example, Python first checks if the age is greater than or equal to 18. If that's true, it moves to the nested if statement to check if member is true. Based on the result, it then prints either you have access to the premium lounge or you have access to the general area. If the user is under 18, Python skips the nested conditions entirely and goes to the else block, printing you are not allowed access. Let's put everything we've learned together with a comprehensive example. Imagine you're creating a simple program to recommend movies based on age and genre preference. Age equal to int input, enter your age, genre equal to input, do you prefer action or comedy movies? Dot lower, if age greater than or equal to 18 and if genre equal to action print, we recommend the latest action movie. Elif, genre equal to comedy, then print check out the new comedy movie, else print sorry, we have no recommendations for that genre. Else if genre equal to action, then print we recommend a family friendly action movie. If genre equal to comedy, then print check out a fun animated comedy. Else print sorry, we have no recommendations for that genre. Explanation first, we ask the user for their age and genre preference. Then we check if the user is 18 or older. If they are, we recommend a movie based on their preferred genre. Or if they are younger than 18, we recommend a family-friendly version instead. This example demonstrates if elif, else comparison operators and nested conditions, making it a great way to practice conditional statements in Python. To recap, today we learned about conditional statements and how they allow us to make decisions in code, the roles of if, elif, and else. Else, comparison operators and how they help us set conditions. Nested conditions, which allow us to add more complexity to our logic. These are powerful tools that will help you create dynamic programs. Practice combining these ideas to build real-world logic into your programs. In the next episode, we'll explore loops in Python which allow us to repeat actions in our code. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.